Hello and welcome to the complete tour of the Notion Budget and Expense Tracker, the ultimate tool to simplify your financial life. This planner is designed to help you master your budget, keep tabs on every expense, and confidently manage your money without the usual hassle. Whether you're aiming to save money or are just trying to understand where your money goes, this tracker's got you covered. With that said, let's dive in and get started. On the main page, you'll see two charts of your total income and expenses this month, giving you an instant financial snapshot. Below, you'll see all your accounts in one place. Then, there's a budget summary for each category, showing how much you've spent and what's left for the month. After that, sections for income, expenses, and transfers let you track every transaction of this month seamlessly. At the bottom, there's a list of all your recurring payments due this month, followed by a calendar view showing all your transactions in a monthly and layout. On the Accounts page, selecting any account gives you a detailed view. You'll see all incomes, expenses, incoming and outgoing transfers, as well as any recurring payments billed from that account. Plus, you'll find goals specifically tied to this account, helping you keep everything organized in one place. On the Incomes page, you'll first see a chart with monthly and yearly income details at a glance. Below that is a full list of all your income transactions, and at the very bottom, a calendar view that displays each income for easy reference. The Expenses page offers the same layout as the Incomes page, with monthly and yearly charts, a full transaction list, and a calendar view, making it super easy to analyze your spending. When creating an expense, you can add a date, link it to an account, select a category and subcategory, and even add comments or upload a receipt for easy reference. On the Transfers page, you get a clear view of all incoming and outgoing transfers across your accounts, helping you stay on top of every transaction so nothing slips through the cracks. On the Recurring Payments page, there's a chart showing your monthly and yearly costs for all active recurring payments. You'll also find a list of the next and last payments, along with an overview section for more details on each recurring payment. A spending section breaks down how much you've spent so far, and at the bottom, a calendar highlights your upcoming payments for easy planning. Inside any recurring payment, you'll see all the essential details you need, plus options to cancel the payment or create an expense directly for it once the due date arrives. This makes tracking your recurring bills easier than ever before. The Categories page is split into the Income section and the Expense section. For either type, you'll first see a chart of earnings or spendings by category, which you can view for this month, last month, this year, last year, or lifetime. Below, there's a list of all categories along with exact amounts earned or spent for each time period. If you dive into a category, you'll see a monthly and yearly spending progress view, plus an overview of subcategories linked to this category. There's also a full list of all subcategories, a transaction list specific to this category, and a calendar view showing each transaction. At the bottom, you'll find all subcategories grouped by type, giving you a detailed breakdown of each one. Inside any subcategory, you'll see the same view as for a main category, giving you ultimate control over analyzing your spending habits. On the Goals page, you'll find all your goals in one place, regardless of their status. There's also a timeline view that shows when you planned or are planning to save for each goal. Within any goal, you'll see the goal amount, your current balance, and what's still needed to reach it. You can link the goal to an account for automatic balance updates, or manually adjust the current balance if you prefer. And as a nice touch, whenever you complete a goal, you'll get a congratulatory message to celebrate your progress and keep you motivated. On the Budgets page, you're greeted with an overview showing how much you have left to spend in each category. Below that, you'll see the same budget view as on the main page, along with a comparison of this month's expenses versus last month's for each category, making it easy to track your spending trends. At the bottom, you can easily adjust your monthly budget settings to fit your financial goals. The Transactions page brings all your transactions together in one place, giving you a quick, comprehensive overview whenever you need it. The receipts page shows all transactions with attached receipts, making it easy to quickly find any documentation you need. On the calendars page, the final part of the Insights section, you'll find a calendar view of all your transactions grouped together, making it easy to locate any transaction at a glance. Next up is the Reports section, where you'll find detailed breakdowns of your income and expenses by category, along with informative charts for each type. With a total of 5 reports, you can analyze and review your personal finances more thoroughly than ever before. The template includes a dedicated mobile page, specifically designed to enhance navigation and user experience on the mobile app, so managing your finances on the go is smooth and effortless. On the main page, you'll find any reports you've pinned for quick access, along with your active goals to help keep you accountable. And that's it. You've now seen everything the budget and expense tracker can do. This template also comes with a chart-free version for free Notion users, as well as options for both dollars and euros currencies. You can find the link in the video description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more Notion templates. With that said, enjoy managing your finances.